Quick update. Finally decided to start working on this project again. Basically just to get some more room in the shop. Got all three of the top supports done here for where that'll bolt down. To use the bolts on the lathe. Plan to put a piece of plywood on top of there. Probably make some metal spacers for the wood so that it doesn't get compressed over time. I got the toolbox just sitting in there for now. I'm gonna have to somehow rig the back lock so that it thinks the lid is open at all times so I can get the drawers open. Thinking I'll probably take a couple L brackets and screw it down in the back. It's just sitting on this board now, but there's a support underneath there. That way if I open two drawers at the same time with something really heavy in, it won't tip over. Still got to add the pads for the casters on the bottom yet, just sitting on some furniture dollies, but we're making progress. I'll let you guys know next time I get anywhere farther with it, and make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll keep putting these videos out. Thanks, bye.